Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name's Andrew. Today we're cracking open Strixhaven School of Mages. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is Reject, followed by Spring Maidservant, Dragon's Approach, Mage Hunter's Onslaught, Elemental Masterpiece, Infuse with Vitality, Stonerise Spirit, Witherbloom Pledge Mage, Introduction to Prophecy, Creative Outburst, Reflective Golem, Aether Helix, Conspiracy Theorist, which is a 2/2 creature for 1 and a red that says when Conspiracy Theorist attacks, you may pay 1 and discard a card. If you do, draw a card. Whenever you discard 1 or more non-land cards, you may exile 1 of them from your graveyard. If you do, you may cast it this turn. Now, I believe we talked about this a few weeks ago at this point. Might have even been a few months ago. But I think I'm coming around more and more to Conspiracy Theorist. I don't remember what I said last time we looked at this, but I have a feeling that I was a little down on it. But I'm understanding it more now. Having the impulsive draw, but still being able to use the exiled, exiling the card you discard for your impulsive draw, and being able to still use that exiled card for that turn is really good. The issue of having to pay 1 and discarding a card when he attacks to draw a card, I think, really, I just wouldn't attack with him and have a bunch of like Faithless Looting effects or other looting or digging effects where I have to, discard a card to draw a card or discard 2 cards after drawing 2 cards. So that then, still getting that second effect and not having to rely on his attack trigger. Because if this thing's attacking, it's probably going to get blocked so that it can be removed from the field. That said, it's probably still going to be targeted with removal, but I think this is better being a non-attacking piece of tech instead of a attack-triggered creature. But that's my new thoughts on it. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it, how you would use his effect. Would you be using the attack trigger, or would you rather have him sitting on the battlefield like I'm saying and just use a lot of looting effects to be able to take advantage of his second ability? Next we have our Mystical Archive, Duress. Then we have a foil Biomathematician. We've got our rule text foil down here that looks good, and I'm seeing a fair bit of foil in all of the spell, like serpentining around him. And it looks really cool. Then we have an Arena promo card to round out the pack. And that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow to crack open another pack.